Hello there, this is Don. So you might have heard about SSO, single sign-on, and how apps allowing companies to be able to connect um, their internal databases, networks to external systems. Um, eLeaP is fully SSO enabled. Samuel 2.0 is the standard for SSO. And what I'm going to do is take you through an instance in Okta, which is an SSO provider, to show you how the whole SSO system works. So let's switch over to my Samuel account, my Okta account right here. I'm going to go to my admin tab, and I'm going to go to my applications. So first off, if you have an Okta account, you can add eLeaP into it. Simply click on Add Application, type in eLeaP, and you'll find our app, and you would be able to add it to your application. Okay, super easy. Now, once you add eLeaP as an app, you will need a few things. For example, the subdomain here should correspond to your eLeaP subdomain account. And then, of course, once you have that in place, you will be required to send us your identity provider metadata. This is all technical stuff, but we are happy to help. If you need instructions, click on View Setup Instructions, and they do have great instructions on there on how to actually set up your SSO for eLeaP. All right. Now, once all of this is done and you have added people, your staff, users, whatnots into your app, because you do need to give them access to that app that you've just added to your SSO account, in this case eLeaP. Then what happens is that when you do go to My Applications as an end user, and this could be their employee, the staff member, they will see a little tab there that shows whatever apps that have been configured for them. So here's how SSO works, right? The idea is that you don't need to go to eLeaP directly to log in. So traditionally, folks go to eLeaP, there's a login, you put in your email and password, and you log in. Okay, super easy, right? If you want to use SSO for login, then it means that you are not letting people go to a login page, putting in an email and password. Instead, what you're doing is having them go into their SSO provider account there and simply click on that tab. So I'm going to click on eLeaP right here and watch what happens when I do that. Okay. First off, the SSO application in the back starts authenticating to eLeaP. It makes sure that eLeaP is indeed allowing that individual to go in. And if everything works out, then this is what happens. They get logged in directly. You didn't see me having to enter in my email and password, right? Which is what's great about SSO, is that it's one less password for end users to remember. So here's a quick video on how eLeaP SSO works, and of course integrating it into, for example, Okta. Doesn't mean that it's only Okta. We work with all of the major SSO providers and even some custom SSO providers. So let us know if you have any questions or need help configuring SSO for your eLeaP account, or are interested in exploring SSO for your upcoming LMS application. Thank you.